In this tutorial, we will see how the payrolls gets processed in HR Blue Sky. In our previous session, we discussed about checking the payroll with the help of a preliminary checklist. While we were updating the preliminary checklist, the same time payroll was getting processed in HR Blue Sky. So it's basically an automation process. To verify whether the payroll has processed or not, we will now navigate to the payroll module, and under the payroll module, we will click on Employee Payroll List. On this screen, we need to select the next month. For example, we want to select August month if we are processing payroll for July. This is because only then the system will take the data of July until the 31st of July. So that's why we are selecting the next month. Now the system knows that it has to consider the data of until 31st July. Select the month and then click on View. On the screen, you can now find that all data that we have updated during the preliminary checklist process, it is marked as ready to process. Any status that tells you generated, that means the WPS has been generated for this file and this cannot be modified further for this month. Where you see something called new, that means this data we have not yet verified. To verify that, just click on the edit record and we can verify quickly once, and if everything is fine, we just need to save it. I'll again click on the view to view the data. Now everything is ready for process. Now to check whether the payroll file is created correctly or not and the components are right or not, you can just select all or one according to your requirement and click on Generate Excel file. So this will push your data along with the headers under an Excel file similar to this. So now we know that all the headers are updated and the salaries are clear. You can do further process like taking a grand total and comparing it with the previous month. All this reconciliation process through this Excel file. Once done, your payroll is now processed and is ready to be generated in the form of WPS. In case for the reprocess, in case you find any differences, you can again click on edit and change the payroll data as long as you wish and as long as you want to make sure that it is the actual payroll. With this, the payroll processing is complete.